One of the most appreciated thing about India is its diversity. And when you talk about diversity, it is a diversity in itself is a very diverse word, I would say, because in India, for example, from clothing to geography of a region, in India we can see there is a lot of differences and a lot of diversity in different regions and different states. For example, someone living in the desert region of India and the states which are situated on these deserts like Gujarat and Rajasthan. These states and the people in living in these states have to wear a different clothing than someone who is living up in the snowy region of India, which is in the northernmost part of India, like uh, Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh and also the Uttarakhand, which we can see that there is a lot of difference in clothing and how they wear because of the weather, and the weather of these states is very different from each other. One is very cold and one is very dry and very high temperatures at times. There is also great diversity in the geography of various states in India. Like we have in India from snowy peaks and snowy mountains and very cold deserts to geographies like deserts in Gujarat and these regions, and also and beaches. There are also islands in India, in Indian territory. From this, we can see that there is a lot of diversity in India's geography all over the country. Because of that, someone living in India can experience something from traveling that many people living in other countries might miss on. Like you can't experience this kind of diversity in some other nation. Someone or like just me or any other Indian who can experience great diversity through by traveling through India and exploring India in various regions, because you can go trekking on these snowy mountains, and you can go also see the beaches and also visit the islands we have in our country. And because of this experience of traveling throughout India is a very great experience for you, and it enriches you in some ways, and it also shows you how diverse a country can be, or how diverse these we are as humans. We can be very different, and how the geography can change and how the geography can change certain aspects of living conditions, and also your overall conduct or behavior, or also and also various factors which surround a human life. Thank you for watching, and I would like to know your thoughts and know anything you would like to share in the comments. And thank you.